The kind of man was so by but what's I bring now and our bar. It's not so easy, say, with our time. Now, you don't even know me personally. So wouldn't name me. This is the first time you meet you. You have a very nice personality. Now, that's so about. It's and the message of the best be affection. It's part of the game and for the benefit of my listeners.
I'm in the game myself.
That's right. And then you come if I go child empowerment. And I'm also many me up here, Edin Kamo. She's actually the youngest CEO in the media circle, very tender age 24. And or TV stations, or radio stations, and 9. And then the bone come on. And then Pamela, it was just what can we do with our lives? Instead of, doing certain things that will not actually benefit us. Move on to me, my brain here. What is a voice nice strange? Pami?
Yes, my lord.
Sika?
May there be a film of soup.
When is Sika?
Yes, can you soup?
Right. You have a bomb come on. Now you come on, my men's just if you say. Pamela, oh boy. Oh boy, didn't you say? Pamela, boy, didn't you say? Huh? You're going to say? Oh boy, didn't you say?
Lala.
Lala. Nana Kwame ain't there.
Hey,
I'm just asking. Nana Kwame ain't there. Pamela, Nana Kwame Wahana.
What is Nana Kwame?
So, oh boy, didn't Nana Kwame.
Yeah, my lord.
Unim, coffee, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, you're there.
He's a close friend.
Really?
We vibe, we talk. Yeah.
Sir, how often do you talk?
Oh, like even yesterday, me cry and say me back.
Come on, see.
Yeah.
I see. It's the only movement. Maybe I could be our own say.
Yeah.
I'm like,
and sometimes he advised me on so many things. Yeah, me query okay, quiet. Then he say you're more kind of say.
Okay.
And anything I'll be say about me, then he'll pick the phone and call me.
Okay.
Say, oh, Matisse, is it true or not?
Okay.
If it's true, like 1 year, next time do it like this. So I have that kind of
relationship with
or
him.
friend in the background.
Have you dated him before?
No.
What was the nakedness? I'm just asking.
We've met on set before.
So
that was the first.
So what was the nakedness there?
Not as naked as in total naked, no.
But half naked.
Half naked, and he's, most Ghanaians they won't have no about. I know okay. Say the tear then. Probably they've done something. I say they have personality.
Okay.
Who are very personally? I don't say the panel.
Say naughty.
Say naughty.
But I don't know. It's nothing to you apart from your cordiality as.
I think said to me. I see say. He wouldn't even think or have any second thought say, well, the purpose of the baby. He wouldn't
really
have that thought. No.
I see. But speculations in the rumors and say you dating
him. No, we are not dating. Only that I think that very nice to he always.
Is it harassment?
Oh no, yeah, not.
But that's a fact.
Yeah, that's a fact. Thank you very much.
And see, coffee in any way, one can't also be Pami, we are very attractive. Oh,
I can't like me when you fair. That one is and then you don't quite say something I want from of I've been okay. But that doesn't mean.
But also, make this is an open place.
Good.
My listeners are listening.
But wait, man, in private at Shem, that doesn't mean say you want to do something with me. Okay. Not everybody like boobs. Okay. Not everybody like a tall girl with her kind. But we get
boobs, they'll be happy.
Not everybody.
Not
everybody.
Really?
Not everybody like
serious?
Yes, of course.
I see.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. Big boobs is nice. But
it takes stress away.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Oh, okay. So you've tried. Like, you've had an experience, eh?
I'm actually not speaking from experience though, but it does.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's true. Like it's nice if you have big.
Mami Musawe, right now what you plan this you had nothing to do with Kofi Adololo.
Yes, my lord.
But that is what's going on. Okay, good. Mami Musa, how do you contain your personality?
And on the beginning, Mecca said it wasn't easy.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was coming in, people started getting to know, say, oh, Pamela. But now I'm used to Ghanaians. Like, I'm used to.
You're making your monka.
Yeah, I'm used to people. So, like, I'm cool now. Okay. I can walk down to wherever I want to go. If you say, oh, this is Pamela, this is the lady who did this, I did this. It's like, no, I don't care.
That reminds me. There was a purported video being out say Pamela nude pictures.
I saw that video.
Was it you?
No, it wasn't me. I saw that video. People said.
Pamela.
Am I the only girl with a low cut?
Debbie.
Oh, baby, Obi Wawa. Obi Shangas, bra, and Obi fell by mistake. Ucha, when you go, oh, sorry, we will be doing say.
Maybe been to me.
Okay, I be to me.
The minimum say, Yamesi or boy Bako. See them back, we are unique.
But you didn't say.
Sir.
You have to look alike somewhere.
Sir.
You didn't say. Of course. So that wasn't me.
Pamela.
Yes, love.
Panke wants to you.
Oh, I miss so I said be any pano, yeah. I don't know, maybe I don't know her reason why.
Yes,
or yeah, Bibina is an unfortunate thing for her to happen. Say, dear, you know, I key that way. Okay. I don't know. Until me no. I'm not going to think me.
That's right. Right, Pamela Mami Musao. How did you got to fame? And you're doing that Pamela crying away. All of a sudden, Pamela Dami will be episode interview. And you know, some people were like, oh, Murphy, we interview personalities, baby. Why don't you call Pamela? Who is this Pamela girl? Even though my mom go beside Google, I can't tell you. But me who say we are two, you be, I was like, but people like, okay, Murphy, interview Pamela. But and then I was like, we are sweet.
Thank you.
What's the sentence?
Hey, yeah, but.
So, how did you shot into fame?
Yeah, I think I started with this social media thing. I created Instagram first.
Okay.
Yeah. And
so your Instagram name is?
I am not sure, Pam. I was with this one friend. We used to be together some years way back ago. Yeah. So he created it for me, and he was like, start taking photos and be posting it.
Okay.
You know. So I started doing that. And I think one day I got a message from this musician who was like, "We have a nice physics. I just want to."
Name musician.
Oh, I don't want to mention.
Okay. Bema.
Bema.
Obviously.
So yeah, you have this physics which is nice. So I want you to be in my music video. And I said, cool. So that was my first time of me being in any media. So I did that, and since that day, I started getting message, come and do this for me, come and shoot this for me.
Okay.
Come and shoot
so that time, now where?
I was in Accra.
Okay.
Yeah, at that time.
You were Accra.
No.
Oh, you migrated
originally from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Originally from Kenya, but Metina B.
Okay.
Okay. Metina when I'm able to have my school.
Okay.
Now I call SS for yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So Pamela, you say Pamela Odame. Then at Rebecca say you trademark. Then you do Pamela. That was a Pamela. That minimum.
Sir.
Because when you made a post on it was a Pamela Odame. Best is a one we are making catch. Ciao. A brand to be your friend Big Sense. Or your musician. Or celebrating that Pamela is my crush.
Ah, really?
Hey. So Big Sense is listening.
Oh, okay.
tuning.
Hello, my crush.
Right. So, what is your trademark? Then I think
I'm beautiful.
Yes, you're beautiful.
Yeah.
But one thing is a picture and depict you. That's
You're
one
not
thing.
the only person saying this. Like I look more
Beautiful, attractive,
somehow.
sexy than.
And you know, I don't do makeup. Like I'm always raw.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why this haircuts?
It fits me. I think I prefer it fits me more than the weave ones and the wigs.
Have you tried that before? That weave on?
Yeah, I've tried a wig before, but I didn't look. I didn't look. My friend were like, "Oh, it's a fatal," but the look that I was having, not many shada.
Angel.
Angel.
Cecile.
See,
Pamela, when you need?
many
Okay, so you share age, maybe around
early 20s.
early 20s.
Yes, my love.
Great. But you already in the media circles.
Yeah.
Be a will live a luxurious life.
No, never.
Would you?
It's too expensive. I can.
Really?
Maybe someday. That
Engineer.
Amen.
So, parents here, Ghanaians are not aware.
My dad is Kenyan. My
Okay.
mom is Ghanian.
Okay.
Ghanaian.
Okay. Okay. So,
But they live together now in Sudan.
Sunyana.
Yeah.
So, do you proud yourself as a Ghanaian? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, like this will be some crime here. Unless if you will be somewhere
Okay,
and some lecturer will send me free.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's the place more ahead?
My dad have 6 sons somewhere before.
Got you married to your mom.
So yeah. So in all we 4 with my mom.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 with my mom, 3 brothers. I'm the only lady.
Okay.
So in all we are 10.
Okay. So I believe say when your man won't bet you see kakra. Is that Nana coming to ya? Nana, why study? What camera maintenance now? So for those of you who wouldn't Pamela boyfriend, he's right here with me. No, or did he see it? So those watching on Instagram and Facebook, this is not
That's your money.
Or the channel boutique. So I mean, on best of your say, actually Pamela is engaged. It's more Pamela than we Pamela, I'm so sorry. Do you have your short-term plans and then long-term plans?
As in life.
As in life?
Yes.
And the
course.
industry?
Of course. As
So, my in the next 5 years, who is Pamela in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, a bit maybe you say, me, Pamela na.
Oh, yeah, and then.
Be a bit in in life. I can make my by saying, let me media, social media industry, no minimum. So in the next 5 years, oh, Brana, if you are planning, don't plan any or plan any at the back. So you'll be shooting every day, moving from no. You have to be planning different things ahead. Okay, I want to add this. So if this doesn't work for me, I've moved to this. If this doesn't work for me, I have this. So because anything can change at any time. It's a bit more about maybe normal. Okay, social media you will be. Social media you want your Pamela be.
Okay.
So what are you doing in your life?
Okay.
Yes.
Great. So, my name is Saul. Are you a slave queen?
No.
Yes, slave queen.
It's too expensive to be a slave queen,
and all the other money here expensive, sir.
To be a slave queen is too expensive.
It's at the end of the day now. Money is expensive.
Like you have to be changing styles every day.
Stop with say, you didn't come on. Mammy, oh, and on the back of one thing. The brother one down for you one thing. I can't know. Only not for the comments, a coffee, no more could do. Madame for the fee. Umani fee, I know in the area. Same come in there. That could be one spot and another for the woman. You know, they was here and come on, my mother also Debbie, who feel it. You didn't come on. If you know. So tell me, again, the master lake queen here is expensive.
Once already that 18 hours says slave queen, you have to. Who needs car to afford something? You have to get it.
Okay.
Because you want to slay.
Okay.
You have to be changing your weave on, your dresses. You know, you can't be repeating dresses. Make way. Have to look this way. Have to look this way to just to impress people. So what if that at that time, no? I don't even remember the last time I bought a dress.
Really?
But if I was to be a slave, I might say, oh, this stuff I've my shaku program bit out, but meditate. I don't really care who say oh what said that. But to be a slave queen, make us eat day in me share me shape you. My Mrs. Sano, my minion makeup like there's about corner to like let me just
fix it.
Whether I have money or not, I have to do it.
So that means slave queen is very expensive.
If you have your money already, now you are living your slaying your life. That's cool.
Would you say me will music me go into slave queenship or not?
It's up to you.
No, from you, your perspective.
Okay, so Sika and nowadays I hear the most important things we. Obi wo wo Sika. The shops very means the company way to me like properties. Every day be a fetch.
Oh, you're comfortable.
On the bank accounts so scarce go run. Because we are free to slave.
No, you wouldn't say slave queens on more Ashanti regular. This month.
Month leak.
Mr. Uncle Foster, for TMU.
No, more than I have you. Like once my guests, slave.
But is very expensive.
Yes, almost slave raw.
I see. Do you know this month?
Yeah.
Ashanti Region Kumasi Nkwa. In part 12 new.
Yeah, me too.
The last one, I graduate from tech. 24 years. Oh. Because only this looking life.
So even if she doesn't have the money, baby, I saw business can be
also copy. And then guys I have answered yes commerce.
That's the thing.
See, you remember Sika.
Only maybe can if you know the amount. Not the open when you because you've not worked for him. You've not done anything for him. So if you want money from him also the way our wow now or the business is easy. Not the amount. Then you get what he wants from you.
I see.
Yeah.
Sir, Obi 8 year in an opera.
Yeah.
Now only say Pamela is slave queen. She said what is going to say oh this slave queen. Now you empower young ladies.
Yeah.
Before then, let me say what's may be a man walk a cry. You want to say Nyame man massa.
Yeah.
Let me be a bit miss.
Yes.
Say Pamela ARCC ya. Then Pamela
me ada mama ni mungwas.
Yes. Yes.
That's how we be. Yeah. Me mama yari da osisi anase me tie nyame pingu fon kwachi. Nya ko efrifi na asembuni anyame ntime ni mungwas.
Na me so osika.
Me ni sika ni bebre. But kakra mitime bo ano dem e. Because obi eno na aka obi ni mo china sen.
Me hu boutique bi no.
Enye boutique e advert na me yamo.
Pamela. What the name of it?
Oh, enye me boutique. Oh, enye boutique e nka make up papa share. This is the best one.
Pamela, what company be?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
And you see can you now open bank?
Me save.
Who save your own baby?
O de do mundi. Enye sa.
I want men's good.
Roller bank.
I see. Now, some young ladies be aspire to be like you.
On my brother.
Omuni kwara faso.
Yeah.
Every year, Pamela or them. I will be able to. But the point they thought say, even me, I thought say it was true news. And then
no.
That's perfection.
No.
I want one thing to say. Perception in that say Pamela became Pamela because of nudity.
So me nam na man for approach me you are cancel me who TV so. That's the most things I am now for coming who TV so. Me guys will be a sham not or tries or back kind no guys will be a me who picture we nude picture we now the no kind me there will be in case I been showing me that majority now mission there or me who music video me who movie we on YouTube. Yeah.
Great. I think that you know enough about your life.
Yeah.
Now let's tackle the issue of girl child empowerment.
Yeah.
What do you think? Then I want to say young ladies are almost so. Almost in my life, are you worthy? Now almost shift into fame. Not on the negative side, but on the positive.
The problem is one the please come by human and I am paying.
Okay.
They say yeah, like everybody wants to live a
Luxury life.
that's the thing. But say a human or let's say yeah, I think I'm a pure water. That bend then a minister could talk with 1,000 Ghana. Nti mame me ko we wa menyes kana eden at na ise mu me ma no so se mu ehu scammers na dos as wo kai no scammers na dos nti o no oba ho na oba ma 1,000 Ghana e be ni de there's no point so kwa ye ejuma because oba ho we nya ni 1,000 Ghana wi obi afi na okoto nso a nti amana ka na o ye pardon so o nsi na dan fo bi opening temple Madam Fasisani the opening. Say Madam for name and the tomano. Nti aye ade e to aso saa. E control e get your way view. No so akoto na I say more like a competition.
Okay.
The ladies nowadays is more like a competition. Nti emma yo yenkoye ejuma yenkoye we na nhyeda. Na wo ye fe kakra na if she get the body.
That's it.
That's the thing.
And so obi ti o wie Pamela obi cry send me a message say she just wanted to have a picture with you.
Oh, okay.
So that when we want Pamela ena when us leaves send the Pamela then when you want to especially we deal with the young ladies,
Yeah,
because we are very young
yeah.
and already appeju we do pisu ya we do ya what's happening ko ani
Yeah.
send the Pamela na
So person yet to say me. Obia ne shebro. Obia ne ti a odi pe wiase. Bia me be fa nyoma bebre bi mu and I was able to succeed. Metima from to be who I am today. But oh no ocean from afar. Okay, or you see now you're bad girl say. Oh, na man for them no. Obesu betima for the same mood. You can do whatever you want to do to yourself. Be bad, go nude, whatever. People won't get to know you. If to be supposed to be in this world to be famous, to be Pamela or Dame Watara, nothing can change it. That doesn't mean say who akusia. You to have to be like Pamela or Dame Watara. And they made them buy. Now so they different. So if you want to do something that most idea me not because Pamela is Pamela. No change and I want to be Pamela. Any fame in Yemobia. Fame is not there for anybody or everybody. Obi there in your obi there shop obi there nurse ejuma. So if you want to do something, just focus on what you know best. And the ebeboa, if you want to be famous and you're not getting it, and you think yeah, just leave it, try something else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think, sir, young ladies are more enter into entrepreneurship?
Very good.
Serious?
Yes.
My God.
So many things you can start with, but most of the times their problem is assassin. Most ladies, I have friends be oh Pamela, me pesi me ye chimo, be scar, me de be chassis, me pesi me be shop with scar me de be chassis. Any problem. But once I to me a chassis any day. So one see the crown and bet 10 see this crown and the bet. I just be on your quad for and that's when you brady. As time goes on gradually, if you are able to save her in the next 5 years, 10 years to come now.
You are okay.
You are okay.
Yeah, now yin yanum be feel say a man no feel so oh look at me wife me wait and see me cotton ice water problem mommy
Yeah.
me cotton yogurt problem
Yeah.
some comfort in your home.
And no a do was a peer pressure and also come
Okay.
because when you talk of Toma, Nadam for be best no. Nadam for be on any area best no. Or Coton Nadam for you did a ben now 10 pesos or you could to be on super or Chinea or no shabby. Madam for Natada or Cojon so to be. Into a rest and Nadam for best no. Like that ben, Barbara me call Kwame one man, over 500 cities, over 1,000 Ghana. Then let me just quick way, then I get it. Nti peer pressure no so ka the major problem right now. I say environment you're not for now group of friends, especially we ladies, so go before the move to on. They'll be flaunting their ribbons, their buy iPhone 11 way na bo be una obi hu ana no ho pre no. I think I got on pure water, I got on iPhone. It's a long process for her.
Okay.
So obefa shortcut and also and then on the chinchina and to say this I shall come akwa. Obukwa kwa ade chinu kuta bi ono so. Okutabi. Yeah, this will be your backing back. No person of bravo. No that say me person me bra. I'm going to do it and I'm going to do it. But abra no be say oh because of this na maybe because of this I want to me.
Do you think say government no oboy emagbo teach you emabawa?
Emabawa no so far nyame ni mutoni. I don't really mean person can make her be ready to be like a
no. Wait, your personal opinion.
Me?
Oh no.
I don't know.
Now,
maybe that's maybe I might be wrong. Maybe so I'll say.
I said maybe something the members.
Oh, okay. Me the me here.
That means the gender ministry. Oh no, money.
Gee, I said me and plan out very well.
Oh, come on, you didn't.
No more you may.
Oh, shall we?
O say.
Oh, sha.
Say you didn't come here to chim.
Oh, you're bonk.
Into your bonk.
Oh, sha. Gender ministry.
You're trying your best, but I think it's not enough.
Especially with regards to the
young. Relaxing too much.
So
that's the thing. That's what made me want to think. Yeah.
Nti oje say enkadena gender ministry no yeah ebema young lady empowerment no yes yetimi at a level to the heights.
Good. Obi o no ma owie school otifie. Ontumi ntwa aso. Nti otifie sa no ebe shifti ade a obe odi no kobobo na fofo na omubo akohwibra and all those stuff. So if it can be say okay when we in school they say next phone na adults next phone na adults so maybe school bebre omuti fie omunya ejuma ye na girls bebre me na fofo bebre obi na next we school UPS we school onye ejuma ye on na mo nice lady nti say ejuma no job no omo ma ni ye bebre a abaya osori okọ na ejuma won ko bra kwa money ni ko ye bibi asa o maniska omuma ejuma because mean to me guys o mo sorry nko fie envest kan ko hihie obi ensemble say you nti ejuma no omuma ni do so a
o did say ejuma be sa no senka
ejuma ni de bebre na make na bebre wi school na enye omu nyina so na etimi akọ school bo wa no ya buy o nko school da ense no ejuma wo ho bi o pese o she business ase oni hwe a na wana before bebre na me kan o mpese mi ye business o mi yanka me be container bitu mpese mi ko sua de pam mpese mi ton no oni eni bia wo a o de be sha nti omo so omo ye literate na omo nyanko school bia de pam like o meet my samayi bi okay wa pese ye hairdressing wa pese ku sua ade wa pese o ton ade o pese o bi shobu a ade sua ade obi sua na a long process industry egu like I think say you know what I'm talking about. Egu.
Okay.
Like they don't really I say no ya last hour.
Okay.
Is almost
attention in here.
Me say obi e be campaign. Now abobo niam obeye. Me dem nti bi that no aga so okay. Me ye we movie industry. Me say me ba movie industry. Every actor, every actress these days. Me nti bi that dey nti I say no there. Yeah, omo nje ya ho krampo. No my bedroom so me be so what I will say is say if omo plania if they have anything for the country they should try and think about the movie
na see obviously a house for the industry
where's he
sa ona homo
me tie but me nyam de nka misumisa bia na wesi a
enti ene sanete na wodi zina na kwa wo sebodo do aso ya keep promise busy
ne boshe no minim
aso ya keep promise sebodo do na
minim se o minim me we osi hu ade no I think na get so to the bo ase because no one is any pressure man no like at once.
Once
And
a
you're more kind of you know. I think say a man 8 years cry no thing winning na. The year we end. Now for at least be a salmon another 8 years. Because your man one person and your man what one a district one factory. Me the means I was said there.
Sir.
Minimum be another was
Pamela.
Me the
Komodo. And what? Pammy. Nana is it.
I like him.
Oh, I know that you like me. Yes, I'm going your boyfriend.
But if someone is not sweeter, you can be with him or.
But I think you like me.
Yeah, I like you.
That's the difference.
Your own is different. I like you.
And you like me in what sense?
I love him. Like.
Is he good?
Okay, so this is the end of
is
the
it good?
interview.
Oh, is it good?
And we wrap up here.
Anyway, meet Rocklina. Oh yeah. Upcoming artist.
Oh wow.
Other a record label also.
Wow.
Your friend of Primus. And I think
That's a record label.
yes, Primus record label.
Oh.
Mesa Meda Subi. Eja, Ende.
What's her name?
Oh, come as a rap.
He did be a fatal. Never fatal. We can't get answer.
So Rocklina, there was some tracks outside a trend is saying. And so meet her, I know say Obementona.
She can be send me audios.
Yeah, okay, great. Thank you very much. Made us power. Now what's what we clear.
Yeah. I baby you more.
I Beba. That's all. Now what dear? Pamela, I mean now I see now go on shower. Yeah, what should be I mean on shower name.
Amen.
Now I think